and I'll keep it.
What's up and welcome to ZealPlex, and in this video I'm going to be showing you what is the new thing inside YouTube. So there have been a hashtag and everyone uses hashtag in Instagram and all, but right now it has already introduced in YouTube, and now we can go and make your videos rank in search. You can make your videos relevant and it is going to come inside the search of other audience as well. So we can use hashtag for that as well. So if you want to go and search for like motivation videos, just go on and type motivation. So there you see motivation is there. Just go on and search. If you have motivation video, your video is going to be searched by motivation as well in futures. Alright, so let me just go ahead and show you what are the changes and what we can use and what we can't use inside a YouTube search. So there has been an article by YouTube. So there has been a post that use a hashtag in your video search. So use hashtag to find videos. So there are steps that you can go and use hashtag, and inside a title, so that can be a hyperlink. Only need to have one hashtag inside the title, but you can use like 15 of the other hashtag inside a description, and if you use that you can go and make the videos like most of the tags which means going to be inside a description will be like there should not have any space or something like that. So there you see I have made one motivation video so that you can go and see. I had already added the hashtag inside my description. So there you see you can go and make your hashtag on top, in the middle and in the bottom. It doesn't matter, it should be inside a description. So there you see I have made all of this hashtag. So there you see all of the title is there, and after that inside my description I have added best motivation video ever. You see best and there is no space. By adding motivation there is no space inside motivation video. So best motivation video, inspiration motivation video ever seen. So I have not added any space, and there's a camel case and there's no camel says everything is a small caps. So you have to follow that thing. After that let me just go and back with YouTube help. So there you see there's one camel case and there's one small case which I just showed you right now. So there should be no misleading content. That means your video should be what the video is. You have to add relevant keyword, relevant hashtag to that. And there's another thing that you can use max to max 15 hashtag, but I recommend don't use so many. Just look for like 3 or 4. Anyways, whatever hashtag you use, there's only going to be shown like 3 hashtag inside the title of this video. It is going to be above the title of your video, or if you use it inside the title, there is going to be only one hashtag so inside the title. So I recommend use it inside the description, so you can get like 3 of the tags inside the search engine as well. So right now you can use it like in front, in the middle, or between the title as well. So next come is don't use misleading anything, don't use harassment, hate speech, sexual content, vulgar language and so on. If that happens, it is going to give you a strike, and it is going to also remove all of your video content as well. So there has been announcement by YouTube insiders, creator insiders, and so many updates. So he had given the updates like what are the new updates inside the YouTube. I'll add the link of this both like hashtag and the YouTube search as well. So that's about it for this video. I hope you understand how to use hashtag and how your video is going to be helpful to come in the suggestion as well. So that's about it for this video. I hope you try that out, and I'll see you guys in the next one. My name is Nazir and I'm signing out. See you guys in the next one.